How to install a replacement LED for the EXC-360 microscope from ACCU-SCOPE. You will need a 2.5mm hex wrench and a 3-watt LED from your authorized ACCU-SCOPE dealer. Remove any slides you may have on the stage. Make sure your microscope is powered off and unplugged from the back of the microscope. Remove the camera from your trinocular head if applicable. Carefully rest the microscope on its side so the X and Y stage stalk is facing upward. Remove the 4 screws highlighted that hold the LED access panel on the microscope using the 2.5mm hex wrench. Remove the panel from the bottom of the microscope. There are 3 screws that hold the LED plate to the microscope. Unscrew them and segregate from the other screws as they are longer. Remove the old LED by unplugging it from the circuit board. Plug in the new LED and reattach the metal plate. Reattach the access panel with the 4 shorter screws removed earlier. You can now bring the microscope upright and test your new LED.